Here I've got Motorola Moto G7, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at first let's open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Now locate and open display, and here click on wallpaper. And as you can see here, you can pick one from the following wallpapers. So from the following albums, so it can be live wallpapers, photos or wallpapers. And I will choose this album, which is wallpaper. As you can see here, we've got the categories, so you can choose the one that is most interesting for you, and I will go with Earth. And here you can see all the options, all the possibilities, and just pick the one that you like the most. So let me choose, for example, this one. And if you would like to, you can also customize it, so you can zoom it in or out, it's up to you. And once it's set up as you want it to be, just tap on Set Wallpaper. Finally, you have to decide if you want this picture to cover your home screen only your lock screen, or both of them. And I will choose the third option, which is both. And that's it. As you can see, from now on, this wallpaper is covering both your home screen and also the lock screen. Here it is. So that would be all. This is how you can change wallpaper in your Motorola. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.